Welcome to Quick and Minutational. Enjoy the video on Thailand to get magic skills from the video. Thank you. Creative idea. Utilize old socks. Now, please prepare your note and let's begin. Tulips flower. Prepare old socks. Cut and fold it. Sewing to lock the thin print with the prepared flower stalk. Repeat it to create several flower stalks. Tips: to get a better vise, use another sock's motif to enrich the color. Dorman pockets. Take an old sock, cut, paste, and sew on one part of the pants. Now, you can put your money tip safely. Save from cold at winter. Prepare old socks, then fill it with sand or other similar material. Make several like that, then connect each other with glue, or you can sew it. Now, you protect it from the cold winds. Extended pants end. Cut old socks, sewing it at the end of your pants. Ready to perform. Old socks, make a hole for your fingers, then sewing it. Your hand has cover flam sun with a gloves. Cover glasses. Cut old socks. Take a top one hand sewing it. Hot glass of wine. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel. Press subscribe.